Your neighbor just scrapped his car after driving only 100,000 miles. But wait, somewhere in Germany, a guy is driving the same model, same year, 310,000 miles on the clock. Original engine, original gearbox, no major repairs. As it turns out, it's the same car, but somehow it just lasts longer. So what is actually going on over there? Here are the 10 secrets Germans use to make their cars last 300,000 miles. Secret 1. Oil changes. Now, here is something most people in the US do not think twice about. The oil change sticker on your windshield says 10,000 miles, maybe even 15,000 if you are running synthetic. You follow it, you feel responsible, you move on. Meanwhile, the average German car owner is changing their oil somewhere between 5,000 and 6,000 miles. But why? Here is the thing. Oil breaks down. It gets contaminated with tiny metal particles, combustion byproducts, and moisture. And as it breaks down, it stops protecting your engine the way it should. The difference between fresh oil and 10,000-mile-old oil is not just color. It is viscosity. It is lubrication quality. It is how well that oil is actually coating your pistons, your camshaft, your bearings at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Mechanics across the US will tell you the #1 cause of premature engine wear is extended oil change intervals. An engine pushing past 200,000 miles almost always has one thing in common. Someone changed the oil regularly and early. Secret 2. Respect. The cold start. Most Americans start the car, put it in reverse, and they are gone in under 10 seconds. That is just how mornings work, right? Get in, go. But this is where a lot of long-term engine damage quietly starts. When your engine has been sitting overnight, the oil drains down from the top of the engine into the oil pan. The upper parts of the engine, the valve train, the camshafts, the top of the cylinders, are sitting there dry or close to it. The moment you start the engine, the oil pump kicks in and starts pushing oil back up. But that takes time. Somewhere between 20 and 45 seconds depending on the engine and the temperature outside. Now, if you immediately hammer it into reverse and start moving aggressively, those upper engine components are grinding against each other with minimal lubrication. Every single morning, day after day, year after year. Start the car, wait 60 seconds before you move, and 90 seconds when it is cold outside. That time lets the oil pressure build up and reach every part of the engine that was sitting dry overnight. $0, and your engine's top end stays protected in a way that no additive or expensive treatment can ever replicate. Secret 3. Use the right fuel. This one genuinely costs people money, and they have no idea it is happening. Walk into a gas station and you will see people filling top-tier cars with regular 87 octane because high octane feels like a scam. When an engine is designed for 91 or 93 octane, it is tuned around that kind of fuel burn. Higher octane resists pre-ignition, where the fuel-air mixture detonates before the spark plug fires. With lower octane in a high-compression engine, you get micro-knock. You cannot hear it. Modern engines adjust timing to compensate, but that comes at a cost. Less power, worse fuel economy, and long-term stress on pistons and cylinder walls. Studies have shown that using lower octane than required leads to increased engine wear over time. Money saved at the pump can be lost in repairs. Use the grade listed on your fuel cap. Trust that number. Secret 4. Flush your coolant. Coolant is the fluid nobody touches until the heater core fails or the head gasket blows. And by then, the damage is already done. Every 2 years, the coolant needs a full drain and refill, not a top-up, a complete flush. Most Americans go 5, 6, sometimes 10 years without touching it. Here is what is happening inside that cooling system the whole time. Fresh coolant has corrosion inhibitors that protect your aluminum components, your water pump, your radiator tubes. As those inhibitors break down, the fluid turns acidic, and acidic coolant slowly eats the metal surfaces it is supposed to protect. You will not feel it happening, but the damage builds up quietly over years. A coolant flush runs $80 to $150. A water pump replacement is $300 to $700. A head gasket failure from chronic overheating costs $1,500 to $3,000. Flush your coolant every 2 years. The price difference between doing it and skipping it is not even a conversation. Secret 5. Change transmission fluid. Ask the average American when they last changed their transmission fluid, and most of them will genuinely have no answer. A lot of people do not even know it needs changing. And that is really bad. You see, transmission fluid does for your gearbox exactly what engine oil does for your engine. It lubricates, manages heat, and keeps the clutch packs functioning properly. And exactly like engine oil, it breaks down over time. It oxidizes, picks up metal particles, gets thin and ineffective. And the life of your transmission fluid is 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Now, here's the caveat. In the US, many manufacturers label it lifetime fluid, which sounds reassuring until you talk to a mechanic who actually rebuilds transmissions for a living. What lifetime really means is the lifetime of the warranty, not the lifetime of the car. Now the transmission fluid change with a filter could cost you up to $300, and a full transmission rebuild or replacement could cost up to $5,000. That is why every person driving a car past 250,000 miles on its original transmission has one thing consistently showing up in their service records: fluid changes, done early and done regularly. The reason why you must never overlook it is its low cost. In return, you get massive protection. This is arguably one of the best maintenance habits you can build. Secret 6. Replace brake fluid. Pull up any German vehicle inspection checklist and brake fluid is on it. Every 2 years, the car owner would replace it, and there are no exceptions based on how the fluid looks or how the brakes feel. 2 years, new fluid. That is the rule. This is what most American drivers do not know about brake fluid. It absorbs moisture from the air over time. This is just how brake fluid chemically behaves. It is hygroscopic, meaning it pulls water in through microscopic pathways in rubber hoses and seals. So, after 2 years of normal use, brake fluid can contain anywhere from 2% to 4% water by volume. That sounds small. But water has a boiling point of 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, normally your car's brake fluid, when fresh, boils at around 400 to 500 degrees depending on the grade. But when that fluid has absorbed water, the boiling point drops significantly, sometimes even below 300 degrees. Now, think about what happens when you are coming down a long mountain range, riding your brakes, heat building up in the calipers. The fluid temperature spikes. If your fluid is old and contaminated, it can boil. Boiled brake fluid creates vapor bubbles in the lines. Vapor compresses. The brake pedal goes soft. This is called brake fade, and it is genuinely dangerous. Now, to save yourself from that kind of danger, it's best to change brake fluid, which costs $70 to $100 at most shops. And Germans do not fight over the price. They just do it. You should start doing it too. Secret 7. Rotate and align. Everyone knows to rotate tires. But doing it consistently on the right schedule with alignment included. That is where most people fall short. Now, interestingly, German drivers rotate every 6,000 miles. And here is the part most skip: alignment. Rotation without alignment is like mopping the floor without fixing the leak. You manage the symptom, not the cause. Alignment drifts constantly. Potholes, curb hits, rough roads all pull it out of spec. When it is off, tires wear unevenly, edges wear faster than the center. You lose thousands of miles off tire life without realizing it. Bad alignment also stresses steering components like tie rods and ball joints. So, it's best to replace your tires. A set of 4 tires costs $400 to $1,000. Proper rotation and alignment can extend life by up to 20,000 miles. That is essentially a free set over time. And along with that, you also protect suspension parts that cost $200 to $800 to replace. Now, surprisingly, Germans track this on paper, date and mileage every time, because when you write it down, you do it. Secret 8. Use quality spark plugs, $4. That is roughly what a cheap spark plug costs. Not making that decision across multiple cylinders can damage a catalytic converter costing $800 to $2,000. Speaking of German mechanics, these guys are serious about plugs. OEM quality or equivalent, iridium or platinum tip, correct heat range, correct gap, they check it all. And they replace these plugs on schedule, usually 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on quality. Not when they fail. When a spark plug degrades, it misfires. Sometimes you feel it, sometimes you do not. But unburned fuel enters the exhaust and reaches the catalytic converter. It is not designed for raw fuel. It overheats. The internal structure cracks or melts. Then you get a check engine light, emissions failure, and a large repair bill. So to avoid that, you, my friend, need to check and replace your plugs, or best schedule it. Now, a full set of quality plugs costs $40 to $120. Change them on schedule. Use the correct type. This is a clear example of a small, cheap habit preventing a large, expensive failure. Secret 9. Check your air filter. Think about breathing through a cloth mask that has not been washed in 2 years. That is basically what your engine is doing when you avoid changing the air filter. And the crazy part is, most American drivers go 30,000, sometimes 50,000 miles on the same filter without a second thought. As that filter clogs up with dust, pollen, and road debris, the engine pulls in less air. And less air throws off the fuel mixture. Now there is too much fuel burning relative to the air available. The engine works harder to produce the same power, burns more fuel doing it, and your mileage quietly drops 10% or more. German workshops handle this differently. Every single time a car comes in for any service, the mechanic pulls out the air filter and inspects it. Not on a schedule, every visit. If there is some buildup, he will replace it on the spot regardless of mileage. You could do the same. Now, a quality air filter costs $15 to $30. Change it every 15,000 miles. Your engine breathes better, your fuel economy stays where it belongs, and your injectors stay cleaner because a rich running engine leaves deposits faster. Secret 10. Keep a service log. This last one is not a fluid or a filter. It is a habit, and it may be the most powerful thing on this list because it makes everything else happen consistently. Walk up to a high-mileage German car, a Mercedes with 280,000 kilometers on it, a BMW that has been in the same family for 15 years, and ask the owner for the service history. You will get a booklet. Every oil change, tire rotation, fluid flush, every replaced part, date, and mileage, all written down in order. This does 2 things. First, it keeps you honest. When you record a service at 47,000 miles, you know exactly when it is due again. Nothing slips through or gets forgotten. Second, it tells the car's story. A mechanic can see patterns, what was done, what was missed, and make informed decisions instead of guessing. When it is time to sell, that record adds real value because the buyer can trust the history. Without records, maintenance becomes inconsistent and incomplete. Now you start a log. Notebook or phone does not matter. Write down what was done, when, and at what mileage. This habit is what keeps cars running longer and holding their value. 300,000 miles is not a number reserved for lucky people. Germans are not lucky. They are just not lazy about the basics. Now, you know exactly what those basics are. Subscribe. We have more of these coming and you do not want to miss them.